right, is it working? Yeah, we're on. All right, so this time we're going to be doing tacos, but we're going to have a special kind of ingredient today. Well, what did you include this time? Oh, look at that. It's popcorn shrimp. Oh, wow. Do shrimp exist in the Pokemon world? Oh, no, we've been over this. We're not discussing if animals are canon or not. Are they? No, we're not going there. So anyway, we got the popcorn shrimp, and we're going to use that to make a new kind of taco. Let me just show you what my game plan is. Oh, trust me, this is gonna taste really good. Nothing can stop me now. I'm making tacos with popcorn shrimp. Man, maybe next time we'll do bacon wrapped scallops. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Oh, you can just feel it. These were made to be part of a taco. Oh, they're so tender, they're falling apart. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, so then, you're gonna want to put some cheese on there. And don't eat all of it on us. I wouldn't do that. Put some cheese on there. And remember, if you're making them at home, you make the portion sizes as big as you want to. No shrinkflation here. You do. Oh, this is gonna be good. We're gonna make some popcorn shrimp tacos. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Okay, so then we got our next ingredient, salsa sauce. Oh yeah, you gotta get that on there. That's gonna be good. If you get a little salsa in your sour cream, that's okay. When you're at home, you can make it how you want to. I can't believe I'm making popcorn shrimp tacos. Oh, the dream is real. These are gonna taste so good. Look at all these tacos. Oh, they're gonna be delicious. Okay, that's the salsa. Now we're gonna put the sour cream on. Of course, sour cream is a little bit more challenging because it doesn't always cooperate with you. Come on. It likes to hang out on the spoon. Close enough. This one's a little light. There we go. That's a good size. Okay, put that on there. Put that on there. And put that one on there. I would say these look pretty good, but we won't know for sure until we try one. So, let's gather one up. And there you have it, guys. Popcorn shrimp tacos. Well, save some for me. Don't eat all of it. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. These are good. Save some for me. No, he's eating them all. You gotta stop him. He's not saving me any. You know, just for that, I'm eating the rest.